Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Miriam. I do DIY videos. In today's video, we are going to be making homemade disinfectant wipes. So you're going to start your project off with a paper towel and a container where you're going to be placing your wipes. So first you are going to measure how big your container is or how high your container is, just so you can know where to cut your paper towel just to make sure it fits in there. So my paper towel is going to be cut right there where it meets the bowl, and I'm going to be using a sharp knife to make sure I cut precisely to that point. I would definitely recommend using one of the high-end paper towels, because if you get the cheap ones, it's just going to disintegrate and you're not going to be able to use it effectively. So after you're done cutting your paper towel, you're then going to place the paper towel inside of the bowl that you're going to use, and then get your measuring cup. You're going to put 1 cup of hot water in your measuring cup. Make sure the water is boiled. Okay, and then you are going to add half a teaspoon of Clorox, whatever Clorox you have. This is what I had at home. They normally do have the dollar Clorox bottle at the dollar store, but if you can't get a hold of that, you can use any Clorox that you have in your home. And you're going to measure half a tablespoon for 1 cup of water. I ended up using 2 cups of water, so I repeated this step twice. You're then going to mix that all up. If you have any essential oils, you can definitely add it to it, but I didn't have any on hand to use. But if you do, you can add it for extra scent. And then you're just going to pour that all over your paper towel and let it soak. Let it soak for 15 minutes. Make sure you close it sealed so it soaks in there, and then come back to it. After your 15 minutes is up, you're going to open up your bowl, and you're going to see that it's steaming, and you will take out the middle piece of the paper towel. It's going to be soggy, so it's going to be easy to take out. And then you're just going to grab the center of the paper towel, and that's how you're going to be using it as your wipe. So you're just going to cut a piece of it, and there you go. And you just continue doing that, and you have your own disinfectant wipes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and make sure you share with anyone that you think will benefit from it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.